How's everybody doing? Today we're going to be talking about this Earthwise 15 amp chipper slash shredder. I've had this for a little bit of time now, and I would say this is a very good product. Couple key features I want to go over before I actually shred something for you guys so you can see how it works. It's got this bin here that stores the actual mulched products, things that you run through here, just drop in here. It's got this little push stick that comes with it as well. This keeps you from sticking your hand in there. I mean, you really would have to get after it and stick your hand way deep in there to cut some fingers off, but I would definitely recommend using this push stick, you know, when things get a little dicey here. You can actually take this off. I got rough with this and broke it off here, this little clip, but it still works good. So you can put it like this, run things through like this, but if you want this little hopper, you can just dump things in here and push things in. It's good to have the option. There's some variety here that I think is nice with this product. Allows you to have multiple options when it comes to wood chipping and or just mulching yard items. So there's clips on both sides. Go ahead and lock this back down. Stick this in here. We're gonna come over here. I want to show you this stuff here. So you've got this, you can open this up, you just unscrew this. Takes a little while, but if you get jams or anything, you can get to everything through this, which is pretty sweet. Just take a little while for me to get this unscrewed. This gives you the ability to see the blades. As you can see, this is pretty clean here. There is a stopper that comes in here too. It looks like little fins. It comes with the product. If you are going to shred, I would not stick my hand in the box here up into it. It just seems like not a good idea. Make sure that the power's off, and of course it's unplugged before you take any of this stuff apart. But if there's any jams, there's easy access here to remove any sort of jams and allow this to keep going. That brings me to the next point here. You've got your start and stop buttons. You also have a little circuit breaker in here. If this jams up, it'll pop this little circuit in here, as well as pop the circuit for the house before it cooks the motor. Kind of irritating, but also a nice feature to prevent this thing from just burning its own motor up. So I think I didn't like it at first, but at this point I do like it. It's a good safety feature to keep this thing running for a long period of time. All right, to power this thing up, I'll use right here. Just plug this bad boy in like this. We should be good to go. Let's go ahead and test it real quick. All right, it is fairly loud, so I'm going to reduce the volume here and just kind of show you how the product works. I would say I would stick to branches $50 or smaller. $50 if you're just doing that one specific branch, and even quarter size if you're going to do 3 or 4 branches at once. Also, a key thing to keep in mind is make sure all the brush is dry. That way you don't gum it up. I've had some jams just because I've cut branches off and I didn't let it dry long enough, and the leaves and the wetness in the branches actually cause jams. So just keep that in mind. This should obviously go without saying, but anytime you're using any tools, I would definitely recommend using PPE, gloves, you know, eye protection, long sleeve shirt, boots, all the things. But for these demonstrations, I'm going to be a hypocrite and just keep moving forward. Got quite a bit of debris here. We're going to run through this. Okay, so as you can see, a very easy product to use. You can get pretty rough with it too. I mean, I definitely put a lot of strain on it. For being plastic primarily, I mean, it is built pretty sturdy. helps you remove a lot of yard waste without taking up a bunch of trash space. So definitely recommend. I hope this review was useful for you, and get yourself an Earthwise chipper 15 amp today.